Today I will be sharing 10 smart drying tips for your laundry. How many different laundry drying processes are you familiar with? There are 6 commonly used processes in this modern age. They are tumble dry, hang dry, dry flat, drip dry, dry inside out, and dry in a shade. In a future episode, we'll be discussing the different types of fabrics. Then, we will see how these drying processes apply. The care label is always the best place to start. So, 1. Check the care label and other tags on the garments for the appropriate care instruction. 2. Sort your wet laundry into different drying processes required by each garment. 3. You must always separate different colors and fabric types, especially when you're using a tumble dryer. 4. Shake the garment well to loosen out tangles before drying. This will help reduce folds and creases and will also make ironing easier. 5. Not all garments must be dried in the tumble dryer, especially such garments that retain moisture. Items like polyester and some wools should be hang dried to prevent them from shrinkage. 6. Set your dryer to low temperature for all delicate fabrics. 7. When using a brand new or unfamiliar dryer for the first time, your first load should always be fully 100% cotton fabrics, and you must also monitor it closely. 8. The recommended capacity utilization for any tumble dryer should not exceed 60, maximum 70% for air and heat circulation. 9. Hang garments to cool off after drying, preferably on a hanger, to shake off wrinkles and creases and also to make your ironing easier. 10. Always clean lint filters after drying to ensure your machine works properly. I got a bonus tip for you. Where your garment does not have a care label, just hang in the sun or in a shade and keep an eye on it from time to time, possibly turning the garment inside out as you check on it to ensure it dries properly without any damage. In our next episode of Fabric Care Redefined, we'll be discussing 10 ways to keep your clothes looking like new. I am here to ensure that you enjoy your wardrobe investment, so feel free to share, like, comment, and please, by all means, subscribe to the Fabric Care Redefined channel now for real hands-on fabric care tips, and your clothes will thank you.